Hi everyone, Tom here again at Strapworks.com. The question of the day, what webbing do I pick? Well, today we're going to focus on flat nylon. Talk about the pros, the cons, why you would want to buy flat nylon over any of our other webbings. First and foremost, let's start with the pros of flat nylon webbing. Obviously, it's very, very colorful. Pretty soft to the touch, and there's a wide variety of colors available. It is the only webbing that is truly available in neon colors, so if you want neon, you're pretty much stuck with flat nylon. Now, moving on to the cons of flat nylon. Well, flat nylon stretches when it's under pressure. Flat nylon does not dry easily, and it does absorb moisture. So when it gets wet, if you do not dry it out properly, it will mold and mildew. And lastly, on a con for flat nylon, it does fade, especially your reddish colors, reds, pinks, that type of thing will fade very quickly when exposed to the full sun. So if you're calling from Phoenix, forget it. Flat nylon in red is not what you want to buy for your outdoor furniture. Now, what do we want to use flat nylon for? Let's look at a bunch of different really good uses. I like to tell people, if you're trying to make a presentation strap, you're trying to make a bag strap or a shoulder strap that's going to carry your presentation in to that big client you're trying to land. Nylon is an excellent choice for that. Okay, basically, if you want to make a belt out of this, an excellent choice. So any strap where you're trying to make an impression, you can do so with flat nylon. On the flip side of that, remember on the cons we said it could stretch. You don't want to use nylon on a ratchet strap. You tighten down your motorcycle on the trailer, you're heading down the highway and you get into a thunderstorm. As soon as that webbing gets wet, as soon as the temperature goes down, it's going to stretch out and your motorcycle is going to be flopping back and forth on the trailer. Do not use flat nylon when it's going to be under pressure and must maintain its tightness. Won't work. And again, don't use it around water, because it's really a lot of trouble to dry this stuff out properly and keep the webbing integrity long term. It's going to develop mold and mildew, and when it does, the webbing is going to start to weaken, and if you're using it for a securing strap, that's where it can start to fray, the fibers can start coming apart, and you can have a failure.